Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For several years I've been wanting a small portable planer, so I bought one of these, Triton. It is a 3.5 amp compact palm planer. Now, to be honest with you, I bought this about 8 months ago and was going to do a review, put it on a shelf, and forgot about it. So it shows how much I really needed this thing, but I still want it. Let me rearrange the camera. I'm going to do a quick review on this thing. Then we're going to go outside and give it a shot and see how we like it. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's the closer up picture of the box. 3.5 amp compact palm planer. Looks pretty cool. I'm kind of happy with this thing. It has no load speed, 13,000 RPM, planing width 2 and 3/8, net weight 5.3 pounds. Here's the side of the box. 3-year warranty. Let me open this thing up. Owner's manual on top. Here's the machine itself. Oops, got pieces falling out here. Take this out, take this out. What do we have? Here is the machine. Kind of a odd color. Nice orange and black. If you're a Clemson fan or a Tennessee fan, you'd probably like this a lot. Pretty heavy, 5.3 pounds. Huh. Let's see here. Here's the dust port on the side. Let's start with that. And we have this nozzle so you can connect a probably 2.5-inch vacuum line on it. And it should just snap into here. It does go in at an angle. There we go. Snapped in there pretty easy. No issues there. Okay, just a general information on the bottom of the sticker. Nice flat, I can't tell if that's aluminum or steel plate on the bottom. I'm not sure, but it does have a rubberized grip on here. So let me look over this thing and I'm going to read some of the instructions in this manual, and I'll get back with you. Just one second. Okay, this knob right here is to adjust the front plate here. Now, on this model, the front plate moves when you turn it. It's on 1/32 now. You probably won't be able to see the width of this, but I'm going to, maybe you can see that moving, I'm not sure. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to start with 0. So when I set it down, it's not resting on the blade. It has the on and off switch on the side here. And okay, this is the lock. And you push it forward and then squeeze the on-off button right here to get it going. Kind of weird to me, but that's the way it's designed. Push this forward and it locks it in place. Now it looks like it doesn't lock it in to keep it moving, which would be a good feature. But anyway, it is what it is. It's not the most expensive planer, but has good features. You can see on the side right here that the rotation is this way with the blade. Has a little arrow here. So, kind of cool. Kind of like it. Okay, you saw in my previous clip, I was outside planing a 2x3 board. It will clearly easily do a 2x4 piece of wood on the side, on the thin side. And you also saw me adjusting the depth of the cut right here. And hopefully it showed how easily, or how much it shot out the back right here, out of the dust port. That was pretty impressive. It is heavy. It is awkward to turn on. Like I said, you have to push this forward and then squeeze. Guess you could do it this way, but you really want it to be in the air when you do it. So I guess you could do it that way. Just, it is very awkward to squeeze, like I said. So somebody with weak hands or somebody with arthritis, I would not recommend this for them. In fact, hopefully I'll be able to use this for a few more years without me having trouble squeezing it. It is not balanced very well, but anyway, it does the job. I have no problem with it functioning like it's supposed to. It's just an awful odd way to turn this thing on. Unless I'm missing something, I don't know, but I didn't see it in the instructions. So, it is a nice tool. It does what it's supposed to do. And I paid approximately $50 for it. It's on sale at my local woodworking supply store. Not Home Depot, not Lowe's. Would I recommend this? Yeah, I think it's a pretty nice little tool. 50 bucks if you need one. I don't think you go wrong. If you have one, leave me a couple of comments. If you found a better way for the on switch, leave me comments on how you like yours. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.